Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start inside Roblox, sign in and go straight to your avatar menu so you don't waste time. Once on your profile page, you'll see followers and following counts. Tap following to open the list. Make sure you're on the correct platform because the app and browser layouts differ slightly. The process is the same conceptually. You're now viewing the people you follow. Use this view to scroll, open profiles, or manage follows. Keep going to filter and inspect who's listed. Once you've opened the following list, you'll often need to scroll to load everyone because Roblox uses lazy loading. Make sure to pause as new entries appear. This prevents missing users near the end. If you want details, tap a user to open their profile. There you can see mutual follows, badges, and friend or message buttons. On desktop, use the profile search box to jump to a name quickly. On mobile, scroll until you find them to inspect what they've been doing. To finish, manage your list by unfollowing people you no longer want to track. Open their profile and tap unfollow. If the following count looks incorrect, sign out, clear the app cache or browser cache, and sign back in. This refresh often fixes sync issues. Make sure to refresh the following page afterwards. If a profile is problematic, use the report or block options on their profile to protect yourself. Finally, double-check counts and rescan the list to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.